how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So let's get started by taking you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So first of all, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser, and here wait for it to load. Then go to the search of Google Maps and type United States. That's the country we're going to target in today's explanation. So let's wait for it to load, and here zoom in on the states. So here let's zoom in on the states, and we are going to choose a certain state or a city that we are going to target in today's video. So for example, let's choose North Dakota in here, and let's zoom in on that, and let's go to a certain place. For example, let's go to Carrington. In here, and let's go to the search again to type the kind of small business we'd like to search for. So here guys, you can search for a lot of small businesses like hair salons, gyms, plumbers, auto repair garages, and all of those kinds of small businesses. So for me, I'm going to search for a plumbers. So I'm going to search for plumbers, and here just type plumber and then click on search to see all of the available or the nearest plumbers in the area. And here guys, we are going to offer three main services. The first one is the website creation. So we are going to check the profile of the business owners to see if they have a website or not. If they have one, we are going to offer them to renovate. If they have a website, we are going to check the website to see if it's up to date. If it's an old website, we are going to offer to renovate their website. Then the second service is bad reviews removing. So we are going to check their profile in Google Maps to see if they have any 1-star review or 2-star review that they would love to remove and it's giving them bad reputation. And the third service is social media account managing. So we are going to check their Instagram and Facebook to see if they could need any help with managing them. So here let's start with the first profile in here, and another information or another tip for you guys: always make sure to pay attention to the profile before clicking on it. Make sure it doesn't have any sponsored written in the top, and also it has more than 150 reviews. It has less than 150 reviews, because the ones with sponsored in them and more than 150 reviews are way out of our league. So it would be hard to land those clients. But in the contemporary, with the profiles with less than 150 reviews and without a sponsored written in them, they would be easier to land to make your clients. So here, this is a perfect profile to reach out to. Just 6 reviews, no sponsored written, and here they don't have a website. So let's scroll down to see. As I said, they don't have a website, they only have their phone number in their profile. So let's scroll down to see if we can find any bad reviews. But from the review summary, they only have 5-star reviews. So I think they have just started this business, or they have just started their profile in here, but not they have reviews from 6 years ago, 3 years ago, and they only have good reviews. So this client here, we can offer them the only two services. The first one is creating a website for them, and the second service is managing their social media accounts. So you can just take their phone number, check if they have a WhatsApp registered in that phone number, and then reach out to them there. If not, you can just call them directly. Just pick the phone and call them directly and say, hey, my name is this, and I'm offering one and two services, and these two services are going to help you gain more clients, get more money. In general, just talk about the benefits that they would get from taking or from purchasing these two services, and how these two services are going to help them scale their business to another level. And as I said in the beginning, guys, you won't need to learn any skill. You will just go to fiverr.com. So here, for example, if you convince this client, if you convince this business owner to be your client and they purchased your two services, or they only purchased one service, which is the website creation, and they paid you $200 to create a website for them, you'll just come to fiverr.com and you will hire freelancers like this one who will design and redesign, build and rebuild websites or WordPress websites for you for only $80. So you would pay this freelancer $80 and you would be left with $120 in your pocket without even learning any skill or without delivering the skill as well. So that's a very lucrative business if you multiply the same method in if you apply the same method to the other business owners. So for example, if we've done it to this one, if we've landed this one as our client, we can just move on to the next profile, and here we can see how many services we can offer them again. So here let's start with the same method. No website available, so that's the first one we're going to offer them. And let's scroll down here, you can see that they have some 1-star reviews. The first one from 2 years ago: after half a day of work and making a terrible mess, I was told they didn't have the equipment needed to clear the drains. When I called to follow up after spending the weekend in toxic sewage, they abruptly said they didn't have the proper equipment, would not come. So this is the first bad review, and there is no answer from the owners, which means the the review could be right. So here they would love to remove such kind of reviews, and it's a plus that this bad review is in the front of their profile. So this is the first thing you will see when you scroll down to the reviews. So that is a bad reputation for the business, and from what I saw in here, there are more than one bad review. As you can see, we can find them down below, and you can apply the same method again. Just go to fiverr.com and hire someone like this man for $25 to deliver the service instead of you. So I think, guys, you get the method of today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.